The biggest mistakes Outer Banks buyers make in 2026. Have you ever noticed some buyers find the right home quickly, while others spend years looking and never buy? The difference usually isn't the market, it's the mistakes buyers make before they ever write an offer. Today, we're talking about the biggest mistakes I see Outer Banks buyers make and how to avoid them. Hi, I'm Christi Bryant with Keller Williams OBX, and I help buyers and sellers throughout the Outer Banks. Let's get started. The first mistake is waiting for certainty. Many buyers are waiting for lower interest rates, lower prices, more inventory, the perfect market. The truth is, perfect markets rarely exist. And while people wait for certainty, the right house often sells to someone else. The second mistake is focusing only on price. Two homes with the same price can have very different ownership cost. Insurance, flood zones, HOA fees, maintenance, utilities. Understand the total cost of ownership is just as important as understanding the purchase price. The third mistake is buying the wrong location. The Outer Banks is not one market. Corolla is different from Kill Devil Hills. Kill Devil Hills is different from Duck. And Duck is different from Nags Head. A home that works perfectly for one buyer may not work at all for another. The question isn't simply which house. The question is which lifestyle. The fourth mistake is assuming rental income will solve everything. Some buyers focus entirely on projected income, but ownership, cost, maintenance, management fees, and personal use all matter. Rental income can help offset expenses, but the property still needs to fit your goals. The fifth mistake is ignoring insurance. Insurance can significantly affect affordability. Flood insurance, wind coverage, HO, 6 policies, elevation, all of those factors matter. Two similar homes can have very different insurance costs. The sixth mistake is trying to time the market. People ask, should I wait? Will prices drop? Will rates change? The reality is that nobody knows exactly what the market will do. The right decision often comes down to your finances, your goals, and your timeline. The seventh mistake is falling in love with photos. Some homes look incredible online. Others show poorly, but are fantastic properties. That's why seeing homes in person, understanding neighborhoods, and evaluating the entire property is so important. The eighth mistake is not thinking about the future. Will your family grow? Will you retire here? Will you rent the property? Will your needs change? Real estate is often a long-term decision. Thinking ahead can help you avoid the wrong purchase. The biggest mistake of all, waiting until everything feels perfect, because buying real estate is rarely about finding perfect. It's about finding the right property for your goals, your budget, and your lifestyle. If you're considering buying the Outer Banks, I'd be happy to help you understand the different communities, ownership, cost, and opportunities that may fit your goals. Leave your questions in the comments. And if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in a future video, let me know. I'm Christi Bryant with Keller Williams OBX. Thanks for watching.